Hello, hey guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is your guest pa Masagari Channel, a paid leader, also matarder. So ngayong hapon na to, tignan natin sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a random gabay now for the sign of Virgo. So Virgo, welcome sa my channel. Ano kayong messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanino kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Virgo signs ang ating mahagilap. So guys, this reading is a journey lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagot. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And hit notification bell for more videos updated ko. Maraming salamat po. Sa mga walang sawang pag-suporta sa aking channel, lalong-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads, saway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik-liglig, nag-uumapaw na biyayang manong balik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages, advices sa iyo ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Virgo. So let's see and watch this. Ano kaya kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Virgo signs ang ating mga gilap? So guys, ito na. Tuklasin at bubulabugin natin. Angel spirit, please give information po. Okay, there's a Three of Pentacles. Now, there's something guys with communication and collaborations, no? Meron dito sa pakikipag-uusap, pakikipagtalakayan, or pakikipag-ugnayan, no? Meron din dito ako nasan sa maaaring mayroong kang pabinyagan, no? Meron ditong ikasal. Now, there's something legal matters, guys. No? May mga pinag-uusapan kayo about sa mga papeles. Ano kaya yan? What is additional messages? And there's a justice card. Now, there's something, a legal matter talaga, may justisya. This is something guys with authority na kailangan ng justice, no, justisya. Let's see guys now what is the additional messages. And there's something the Ace of Swords with a breakthrough. Maaring mayroong mga bagay dito na magtagumpay ka, no? Masusungkit mo to na maaring ipanalo mo to, no? What is the additional messages? What is the additional messages with an angel spirit? There's something the word card. No, there's something trouble, guys. And there's success coming in for you. Na maaaring magiging matagumpay ka dito. And there's a Seven of Swords with a sneakiness. There's a cheating lying on you. Just be aware, guys, na sa mga taong pagkakatiwalaan mo. Additional messages. And there's an Eight of Cups for something moving on or getting away from the situation. Na may mga bagay na makakaalis ka na sa sitwasyon na kinagagalawan mo. And there's a Three of Pentacles represented with a Page of Cups. By intuitions, no? Makinig ka sa gut feeling mo. Makinig ka sa vibrations mo. Nakakabaga, binibigay sa iyo ang tamang daan or tamang kaisipan dito para malaman mo at maliwanagan ka sa lahat na nangyayari sa isa kasalukuyan. And there's a Justice card, representing with the King of Cups. There's a devoted sa 40 person. May taong sumusuporta at gumagabay sa iyo dito na may taong tutulong sa iyo. Now, there's a something supporter and provider. What is the Ace of Swords? Represent what? Represent the Wheel of Fortune. Now, there's something good luck, guys, no? There's something destiny is yours. Na magiging maganda na ang ikot ng kapalaran, maaaring ipanalo mo to. Na maaaring maging maganda na ang mundo mo, ang kapalaran mo. You are being blessed. Let's see what is the word card. Now, there's a trouble. Represent with the Queen of Pentacles, maaaring makapagtrabaho ka sa ibang bansa. Now, meron din ako nakitang DH dito, no? Meron din ako nakita dito nga maaaring magnegosyo ka, meron ka trabaho or negosyo sa ibang bansa. Let's see what is the Seven of Swords. The Seven of Swords represent what? The Seven of Swords represent with the Nine of Pentacles. There's a blossoming, no? Maaaring lumakas ang iyong finances. Mag-ingat ka, no, sa mga chika, no, sa mga chismis. No, may mga balitang darating sa iyo, pero huwag kang maniniwala. No, there's a lying. There's a cheating, no? There's a hidden secret. What is the Eight of Cups? Represent with the Knight of Swords. There's a success driven na may mga bagay na magtatagumpay ka dito. Na kailangan mo maghintay ng tama pagkakataon. Huwag ka masyadong magmadali. What is the additional messages with the Three of Pentacles and the Page of Cups? Represent with the Sun card. There's something, guys, with a pure positive outcome. Na magiging maganda kalalabasan nito, na maaaring magliwanag sa lahat ng mga bagay o kasagutan sa lahat ng katanungan mo. What is the Justice card? Because the King of Cups. Reversing with the Six of Cups, no? There's just something a past person coming back. Na meron ditong taong babalik from the past na para mag-offer na sa'yo. Let's see what is the Ace of Swords because the Wheel of Fortune. Reversing with the Hermit card. Oh my God, this is something soul ties, no? There's just something a gift, no, with the past life. No, nagkaroon ka dito ng past life relationship, maaaring bumalik ulit yun. There's just something reconciliation or there's something reincarnation. No, let's see what is the World card because the Queen of Pentacles. May babalik talaga, no? Sa nakaraang buhay. Ganon. And there's a Five of Cups with a disappointment. Na huwag mo sayangin yung opportunities na to, no, na maaaring makapag-ibang bansa ka, makapag-travel ka, makapag-trabaho ka. What is the Seven of Swords because the Nine of Pentacles? There's an Empress card for revert. No? Parang sinasabi na mahalin mo yung sarili mo, alagaan mo yung sarili mo. No? And of course, sinasabi dito, dapat alam mo sa sarili mo yung worth mo. No? There's something a new beginning. Huwag ka, mag-iingat ka sa mga impormasyon na malalagap mo, yung mga malalaman mo. What is the Eight of Cups because the Knight of Swords? There's a Two of Swords in reverse, something, a decision. Nakapag-decision ka na unti-unti nang bibilis ang takbo nito. No? Ayun, of course, para may nasasas ako dito na meron ditong nagchichismis talaga. No, mag-ingat ka, mayroong nagsisinungaling dito sa'yo. What is additional outcome? Ang pinaka-outcome dito, guys, there's a King of Swords, stop the pattern. Putulin mo yung mga bagay na hindi nagsiserve sa'yo. Sa mga tao, yung mga taong hindi totoo sa'yo, maging wais ka na ngayon. And this is something the Devil card, no? Maraming tuso. There's a greedy there. And there's a Five of Wands, no? Talagang gusto ka nitong sirain at gusto ka pabagsakin. No? Gusto nito mawala sa'yo yung bagay na meron ka ngayon. And there's a Four of Pentacles, no? Yung position or yung negosyo, trabaho, hanap buhay mo, gusto rin nito lumagapak. Let's see, guys, no? What is the additional messages for Yin and Yang Oracle card? For Yin and Yang Oracle card represent what? Represent with the triggers, no? May mga complication dito na maaaring nagtitrigger. And there's something soul ties, sabi ko na nga ba, there's a reunion. No? Meron dito talaga magbabalikan, meron babalik from the past, and there's something celebration, no? Maaaring makakaranas ka na ngayon ng mga regalo at selebrasyon. And this is something truth, no? Ilalantad sa lahat ng katotohanan dito. Lahat ng mga bagay na malalaman mo, ibabahagi na sa iyo. No? Unti-unti mo na matutuklasan lahat ng mga bagay na hindi mo lubos na nauunawaan. No? Ngayon, ipapakita na sa iyo. Ngayon, ihaharap na sa iyo. What is the synchronicities? Represent, guys, with an intuition. Makinig ka sa gut feeling mo. Makinig ka sa vibration and intuitions mo. And there's an attraction that you are attracted to anyone. No, attracted ka raw, no? Ibig sabihin dito, malakas ang karisma mo. Malakas yung atake mo dito. And may nag-block talaga sa'yo dito. No, binlock ka para hindi magtuloy-tuloy yung magagandang opportunities sa'yo. No, hinaharang nito. Sa madaling salita, hinaharang niya. Hinahadlangan niya. No, binabakuran niya para hindi makapasok sa'yo yung mga opportunities. What is the magical fairy messages? And this is something, guys, with a business venture. See, this is a lot of a new business ideas, and there's a business ventures ahead, and there's a career and opportunities. And patiently, kailangan mo habaan ng pasensya mo dito. Maging kalmado, and there's a vegetarian. No, kailangan mo ng fruit and vegetables. What is the synchronicities represent what? For synchronicities represent for romance angels, for mystic love oracle deck, there's a peace na magkakaroon ka ng kapayapaan dito, kaayusan, and this is something, guys, with a between the lines. Malalaman mo what's hidden. Na malalaman mo kung ano yung mga bagay na nakatago. So, yan ang kaklarify natin. So, let's see what is the clarification with the love situation. Ano nang ganap mo ngayon sa buhay pag-ibig? No, ano nang eksena mo ngayon sa buhay pag-ibig? Ito na, tutuklasin natin at aalamin natin yan we have a new lot of cards here na para i-represent kung ano man yung mga bahagi sa buhay mo ang mailalantad natin. Let's see. And there's a land of the laid to rest. Let go of lingering disputes and make peace together. No, magkaroon kayo ng kapayapaan, no? Kumbaga umalis kayo at tumalikod kayo sa mga taong kumbaga uhusgahan kayo, no, isisirain kayo. Kailangan magkaroon kayo ng kapayapaan sa isa't isa. One more card, please. And there's something, guys, with a secret desires, no? Some of you guys, no, meron ditong hindi masabi kung ano yung nararamdaman niya. No, unspoken needs can plunge you into the deep confusion. No, naguguluhan ka kung ano yung nararamdaman mo, naguguluhan ka kung anong gusto sabihin ng puso mo, parang gano'n, no? Parang hindi mo alam kung ano, parang may i-express sa kanya yung pagmamahal mo. So let's see what lies beneath the surface. And there's something hidden future. So alamin na natin kung ano yung mga bagay na nakatago sa likod ng mga bagay na to. So let's see. And this is katulad dito, between the lines. So ibig sabihin may nakatago. Ito na, alamin na natin, there's a sexual protection. Now, protection mo daw about sa sexual mo. So, may mga bagay na oh my God, ano to? Parang hindi mo sinasabi yung totoong gender preference mo. Oh my God, meron ako na sense dito, ha? Nagpapanggap kang babae, nagpapanggap kang lalaki, I don't know. And doing drugs. No, there's something, guys, no? Umiiwas kayo sa mga or maaaring person mo or yung nagugustuhan mo ay maaaring there's a drug user. No? Umiwas kayo sa ganyan. Let's see. What is the path of the light? No? Ano yung magsisilbing liwanag dito? Path of the light, let's see, guys. Inner healing, wow. One more card, please. And there's a love myself. Oh my God. No, para sinasabi dito, mahalin mo yung sarili mo. Dito pa tayo, love myself, ha? I choose to see myself as a noble, beautiful, and positive. My true wealth lies in my nature and limitless potential. I recognize that I am being of the light, and I allow myself to shine brightly, embracing the fullness of who I am. No, tinatanggap mo sa sarili mo at minamahal mo yung sarili mo, even your flaws, no? And there's something inner healing, guys. God has brought me to perfect state of being for healing. When I encounter weakness, I transform it to strength. I focus my thoughts of the light, allowing darkness to turn into courage, which is step I become stronger, more resilient, and align with the divine healing. So, see, kumbaga unti-unti mong hinihilom, no? Lahat ng mga sugat, lahat ng mga pinagdaanan mo, lahat ng mga sakit at pinanggagalingan ito, kumbaga sinusurrender mo na lahat ng, kumbaga nagiging kalmado ka na mas pinipili mo, mas maging mapayapa ngayon, no? Let's see, what is the initial messages? With a yes or no? So, anong ganap natin with a yes or no? Let's see, guys. And there is something, guys, with a, oh my God. There is a yes, yes. My goodness. And there's a yes, yes dito and no. No? Eric, ito yung kasagutan sa yes mo. Full of possibility, plenty, creating abundance. No? Kumbaga, bumubuo ka dito ng mga posibilidad na maaaring magdala sa iyo ng kasaganahan. And there's a yes, getting it together, it all line up for you, no? Kumbaga, bubuuin mo to na maaaring nakalinya ka na mas maganda at mas maayos para sa iyo. No? Parang inaayos na siya. No? Parang piniprepare na siya for your good, no? For your highest good. And there's a no, no? Burning through money, poor investment, broke. Iwasan mo dito yung mag-i-invest ka ng pera, no? Iwasan mo magbibigay ng pera dito na may involved ng pera pagdating sa love. No, iwasan nyo mag-away about sa pera. Let's see what is the shadow words. Let's see what is the shadow words. Let's see what is a shadow works. And there is a soul mirror. Open heart healing union. See, meron talagang paghilom dito ng yung mga sugat na nakaraan. No, yung mga pinagdaanan nyo sa isa't isa. No, parang sino-surrender, and of course, pinapakawalan nyo na yung mga nagsilbing sakit sa isa't isa. And the unknown. Surrender, curiosity, faith. No? Kumbaga, may mga bagay dito na kailangan mo na pakawalan, bitawan, i-surrender mo sa ating poong may kapal. So, let's see. What is additional messages? With an angel's number. With an angel's number represent what? And there is a survive unexpected shift, no? May bigla ang pagbabago dito na magaganap. Ayahay. This is a number serves a gentle nudge to pursue whatever interests you most. It's a possible that something could rock your boat, but you end up with exactly where you belong, which could be in somebody's arms, your dream job, or abroad, etc. So see, may bigla talagang pagbabago dito na hindi mo akalain mangyayari sa buhay mo. No, ibibigay ito sa iyo at gugulantangin ka dito na hindi mo akalain mangyayari. What is the messages of life represent what? A messages of life represent I connect with the heaven. Today I turn inwards and connect with the heaven within. From this place of peace, I can see the situation I have resented in actually an idea and opportunity to work on my inner self. I understand that such an experience is unnecessary for my growth. Thus, I accept such situation now. I live each day in serenity. No? Kumbaga, binibigyan mo ng kapayapaan yung sarili mo na kung naman yung mga nakita mo sa sitwasyon na to, unti-unti mong binabago at unti-unti mo tinatanggap lahat ng mga opportunities na dumarating sa buhay mo. So guys, this is random gabay for the sign of Virgo. So Virgo, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So maraming salamat and see the next video. Bye-bye and babush!